Hello, this is my final project for CSCIE59. We'll be designing a database for collectible card store. And this particular card store wants to track the order, shipping, and inventory status, and then how the order status affects the updating of the inventory. And this is the relational diagram for this database. It is a customers table with some basic information for shipping, and that's all parsed out into street address, city, state, zip code, so you can go ahead and pick out the information and filter through that. Then we have employees table with, again, some basic contact information, but then also the manager that they report to. We have orders table, which tracks the date of the order, the shipping date of the order, and then its current status. And the status relates to the pending payment, which would be 0, the purchase order created, which would be status 1, and then shipped would be status 2. The inventory table has all of the characteristics that they want to track, and then also the quantity we have on hand, and then the current price that we're selling it at. We have a joining table, order items, that will join orders and inventory and able to track the price of the item at the order, and this is where you can pull information to get complete sales information. And we're going to go ahead and look at the database here. So we have our tables, customers, employees, inventory, order items, and our orders. And then we're looking at just a handful of items within the inventory. And I'm going to go ahead and add an order. So we're going to purchase 1 of the Angel of Invention and then 2 of the Avacyn Angel of Hope. And then we're going to go ahead and look at the order. For the orders table, we now have a new order ID. Status at 0, so we're still pending payment, and then we don't have any ship date. And then we're going to go ahead and update that and showcase the trigger. And we're going to set the order status to 1, which should go ahead and update our inventory. So we have our order status at 1, and we're going to look at our inventory. So the Angel of Invention, we're now at 0, and then Avacyn, we're now at 0 as well. And then we're going to go ahead and update our order status to 2 to say that we are shipped. And then that trigger is going to go ahead and add our current date for our ship date. And then we do have some other procedures in here for sales. So the sales information is a little bit tricky because you have to correlate the information from the order items table with the orders table. And with our get item sales, we can look at a particular card name and get the information on when it was sold and what it was sold for and how many. And then we also have a procedure to look at our sales history. And this particular sales history is like a pivot table, and so this processing probably should be done off of the database. But I just wanted to show that you could get a sales history that a store would likely want to be able to look at. And then that's it for my database. Thank you.